Wow, this is it. It's time for Asia to become the 2025 Miss Universe. So alam nyo na, no? With Philippines versus Thailand or Thailand versus Philippines, who do you think if these two girls will compete in Miss Universe? Of course, the beautiful Miss Brina Pravinar. Na alam naman natin, if she will join, this will be her fourth time for the MUT. And of course, this will be the first naman sa kanyang makakalaban na si Miss Iliana Aduana. Pero wow, no? Mukhang nagpakita na ng interes ang may-ari ng universe, ang CEO lang naman. At sa palagay nyo ba, ngayon pa lang ay nag-iisip na ang may-ari kung sino ang susunod na Miss Universe. So sa palagay ko, if lalaban ang dalawang ito, ang batikan at kalibreng kandidata na si Miss Vina Pravinar na napakaganda, napaka-sexy, and she is only 28 years old. And of course, she is like 5'10" in height, napakaganda, sexy, and wow, she got this Indian peg look na talaga namang alluring and dazzling, ano. Pero of course naman ano, what if ang Pilipinas ang kanyang makakatunggali sa top 2? Well, 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 posible ba ito? Especially kung malakas talaga ang ilalaban ng Philippines, no? Pero ayun na nga, no, if ngayon pa lang ay nag-iisip na ang universe, who would be their next Miss Universe for 2025, alam nyo na, it's going to be a battle between Philippines and Thailand, of course, no? So, sino sa palagay ninyo sa dalawang ito, no? Ang who will win? Is it for Thailand or is it for Philippines? Let's see who will be the best to conquer the universe. And syempre, kahit sabihin na lang sure na ang Thailand, hindi naman magpapahuli ang Philippines sa kagandahan. Basta ilaban tayo ng bonggang-bongga, for sure, no? Kahit pa si Vina Pravinar yan, hindi tayo uurong. Tingnan nyo naman, walas ang katawan, my goodness, no? Talagang nakakawindang ang katawanan nitong si Vina. And of course, syempre, ang ating pambato na si Iliana Aduana lang naman po, if ever, no, siya ang makokoronahan at kung magko-confirm siya na sasali, ay naku day, mawiwindang ang mga Thailander. Siyempre, hindi to magpapatalo at alam natin malakatrio na ang datingan ng ating Miss Iliana Aduana. Yes, no, she is only 26 years old and of course 5'7" in height and no, pero she is really good looking sa stage. Okay naman ang height niya. It's just quite, um powerful pa rin, especially yung kanyang mga pasarela. And of course, she is a strong contender for the Asian region. So, do you think it would be Iliana or Bina for the Asia? And sa palagay nyo ba na this is really for Asia, no? Ang next Miss Universe. Sana naman po sa Asia na ito. Whether if it's Philippines or Thailand, let's see. Good luck for both of them. At kung sino naman po ang ire-represent ng MUT or MUP, well, if not them, then who? Okay? It's never too late to say that they can be the next Miss Universe. So sana they will compete and also they will give honor to their country. Ayan, that's it. Bye-bye.